I'm trying to get my son to safety. We can't stay here much longer.
Just trying to fix this old girl. Doesn't want any unwanted visitors, if you know what I mean.
They don't kill fast. They drain, like slow rot. I've seen it happen to our neighbors.
Keep it down. You don't know who might be listening. We can't afford to draw attention. Not now.
Okay. You're not going to believe what I just finished building. For years, I've watched NPCs speak like they were reading from a cardboard script. Flat, predictable, dead. But now, I've changed everything. I built a tool that gives NPCs a real personality. Like, they react to what's around them, they speak like actual humans, sometimes even better. You walk up to one NPC and it says, "You again, what do you want this time?" Then another goes, "Ah, the winds carried word of you. Is it true you fought a troll with a spoon?" This used to take hours of manual setup, handwritten dialogue trees. Ugh. But with this tool, just one line of personality config, and boom, natural, responsive conversations.
What can I do for you?
What's your name?
I'm Hush and Farrell.
What are you doing here?
Trying to fix this damn car. It backfired and, well, you know what that means.
What's going around here?
They took Malik's whole garden last week. Even the soil's dead. It's like they're suffocating us.
Is your wife good?
I've worried. We argue a lot lately, but she's okay.
It's real now. NPCs that feel alive. Hope you felt it too. I'm here if you need me. No sleep, just dreams. And here's the kicker. They remember. You steal from them, they'll be cold the next time. You help their friend, they'll open up to you. It's like giving your NPCs a soul. Between us, this system was built using assets worth over $200. I built it to learn how to make worlds feel alive. And now I'm teaching it. My Patreon is open for anyone who wants to learn how to do this. If you've ever dreamed of NPCs that really talk, join me. And no, the old models couldn't do this. Monsieur, this is what you call innovation, non? Come build something magical.